Okay, let's do an unboxing of the JBL Wave Flex. Now these are also the JBL Vibe Flex in the United States. They're exactly the same, just a different name for different territories. And as you can see, we've got the white pebble case today. And there's a standard JBL packaging, as you can see, which is also always very, very nice. We're going to go and take a look. Let's go and check what comes in the box. So if we open it up and take it out. So to start with, here's the pebble shape, as you can see coming out here. So put that to the side. So there's a lovely pebble shape. Now it's quite light as well, which is great. You can see there. Now white on white as well, a bit of a contrast there, isn't it? And you've got the charger case there, shows how much battery life's left, and there's USB-C charging there. Now if I open it up, there's the actual earbuds themselves. Now these use an open stick design. So this basically means it sit comfortably in your ears without blocking the ear canal completely. They're very, very lightweight, so as you can see there, they are there. Now they have in the earbuds, 8 hours playback in the earbuds themselves, and they've got an extra 24 hours with the case. That's 32 hours with the case and with the earbuds combined, which is really good. And if you run out of batteries like I always do, just 10 minutes charge will give you 2 hours of battery life as well. So there they are now. As you can see, quite nice size earbuds. There they are compared to my finger. So not too big. And they look really good. And don't they look really nice and really fashionable there as well? I think they look great. There's the speakers there as well. Now they're good with sounds. They've got the JBL deep bass sound in them. They've got 12mm drivers in each earbud as well, which packs some punchy sound. It's pretty good at this price point, actually. I wouldn't say it's up there with like the JBL Live Flex 3, for example, but they are very, very good, and they fit really nice. So they go back to the earbud case. Now, as you can see, there it is there. So it's by pins you put in there. So pop it in there just like that, and put it in there just like that. Now, to control the features as well, so you press that for talk aware, press that for ambient aware, which we'll discuss a bit more about it later. Basically allows you to be able to hear the environment around you when you're walking around, which is good. But lovely pair of earbuds there, aren't they? So very, very nice. Put that down. Let's have a look at what else comes in the case. So here's the case just here. So you can see just there, you've got the USB-C charging cable just there. You've got the instruction guide too, which is there. And you've got the ear tips as well. So if you want to put ear tips on these, you can actually do that. They're just there. So it's up to you. You don't have to wear it with them. But there's a pair there just in case you find that a little bit more comfortable. So yeah, very, very nice. Now these aren't IP water rated. They're water and dust resistant though, so they've got small amount of protection, and they don't have noise cancelling. But for the price point, you're getting a really nice pair of earbuds. So there are the JBL Wave All Vibe Flex earbuds.